1 in 5 people across the country have a sexually transmitted infection. The rate of infections is increasing in Jefferson County.
WDRB's Christy Batista went to a testing lab to get a look at the process.
This machine is just one of the ways in the lab that technologists can determine a positive or negative result. The Louisville Metro Public Health and Wellness Lab conducts tests for sexually transmitted infections. Wednesday, lab technologists showed us how they test for syphilis. First, some of the sample is placed on a card.
Once she's done adding the serum to the card, she will add like a charcoal antigen that if the person has syphilis, it will react, and we'll be able to call it reactive if we see a certain pattern.
To see that pattern, the card is put on this device and rotates for 8 minutes. Once that's done, it's put into a computer where a camera takes pictures of those samples. Then the tech goes through each one of them to look for that pattern she mentioned.
So that's what it looks like. If it's reactive, you can see the clumps of the gray in the center.
This lab alone does nearly 30,000 STI tests per year. That's equivalent to more than 80 tests a day. When we were in the lab Wednesday, technologists were testing 20 samples for syphilis alone.
For us, we've kind of had a pretty impressive positivity rate for quite a while.
These graphs show the spike in cases in Jefferson County. Chlamydia, gonorrhea, and all types of syphilis have increased in 2021. Doctors with public health say that trend is continuing. Is this concerning?
This is really concerning. So some people with sexually transmitted infections don't even know they're infected because some infections have minimal symptoms. But if not treated, they can develop long-term health problems. And then, of course, they can pass that infection on to somebody else as well.
That's why Dr. Chris Bryant says preventative measures like using protection and getting tested often are the best ways to get these numbers down.
We can help. We have a sexual health clinic here in Jefferson County that offers testing and treatment as well as counseling.
We visited that clinic Wednesday as well and have more about their services on WDRB.com. With photojournalist Jeff Gordon, Christy Batista, WDRB News.